Hello students, let's see one problem student. Sometimes a student get confused. And what is the problem? Problem is finding the value of R. R means universal gas constant in different units. Okay. So case 1, let us try to understand student. Case 1, in what that is joule, we have to go in the joule, Kelvin inverse and mole inverse. In this unit I want to go student. So from equation, first of all let us try to understand student, from ideal gas equation. This is from ideal gas equation. So if you are solving the ideal gas equation student, what you are going to get? PV is equal to nRT, right? So R is equal to PV by T, PV by NT. Now at STP condition, if you are taking student STP condition, so temperature has to be T is equal to how much student? T is equal to 273.15 Kelvin, right? Now P is the Pascal. First of all, you should know student what is the joule, if I will ask you. So joule is the Pascal meter cube student, Pascal meter cube. So means here R is equal to V is the, P is there, P we have to take in the Pascal and volume we have to take in the meter student. So what we can do student, we have to take the pressure in Pascal and volume in meter cube. Keep in mind student, some information has to be remembered. What the information has to be remembered? Pressure of 1 mole gas, this is pressure of 1 mole gas in Pascal. What student? Unit Pascal is equal to that is 10 power 5 student. Simple. This is going to be 10 ki power 5. How much? That is the Pascal. Volume of 1 mole gas student, everybody know volume of 1 mole gas, it is 22.4 liter. But student, 1 liter is equal to what? If you are going in the meter cube student, so what we have to divide by the 1000. So in meter cube it will be what student? That is 22.4 into 10 power minus 3 meter cube, right? So these value you need to place in the equation student. R is equal to pressure, so 10 power 5, volume of 1 mole of gas student, this in the meter cube. So this is the Pascal. You please put the value also so that you will not confused. Pascal multiply by 22.4 into 10 ki power minus 3, it is the meter cube. This is there, divided by mole is how many mole student? 1 mole gas. Temperature is 273.15 Kelvin. Okay. So this is the unit is here is mole and this is Kelvin. So R is equal to how much will be there student? On solving this all the problems, how much value is going to come student? It is coming 8.314. What are the unit student? Pascal into meter cube. Pascal into meter cube is equal to joule. So simply I am writing joule, then it mole will go in the numerator, so it will become mole inverse. Kelvin go in the numerator, this is going to be Kelvin inverse. So 8.314 joule mole inverse Kelvin inverse. This is what the one. Now in the different unit if you are going, keep in mind student joule. Second we are going in liter ATM. In liter ATM. So when you talk about liter ATM, so pressure of 1 mole gas, pressure of 1 mole gas, how much is there student? 1 mole gas is equal to 1 atm. What we are writing student? 1 atm. Now second things, volume of 1 mole gas, volume of 1 mole gas, 1 mole gas, how much student? 22.4 liter. Temperature student, how much we have to consider temperature? So temperature is 273.15 Kelvin. Now plug the value, student. So here is R is equal to, it is the PV by NT. So pressure is how much, student? 1 atm. B is 22.4 liter divided by, here if you are going, N is equal to 1 mole and then 273.15, student. Now let us try to solve out the value, student. Right. So let me take the calculator and then we'll divide, student. So 22.4 divided by 273.15. So it is coming, student, 0.0821. Suppose 0.0821. What is the unit, student? So liter is there, atm is there, mole inverse, Kelvin inverse. So this is R unit. So that we have to take where the volume is considered in what. Next one, R in calories. R in calories. Okay. So in calories, how to calculate, student? So 1 calories, student, 1 calories is equal to 4.184 joule. So how many joule? In the joule, R value how much is there, student? It is 8.314. So R is equal to convert into joule. So 8.314 divided by 4.184. So it is going to be approximately 2 calories. So R value in calories is equal to, student, 2 calories. So 3 unit we discussed, student, in Pascal. Okay. Joule, Pascal, no, joule, better, not the Pascal, student. Simple you write in joule, Kelvin inverse, mole inverse. How much is coming, student? R is equal to 8.314. In liter, atm, Kelvin inverse, mole inverse. So it is coming 0.0821, right? In calories, how much is coming, student? R is equal to 2 calories. So this is all about the answer. Thank you very much for watching, students.